Okay, picture this. Imagine your career in tech is like a massive open world video game. If you want to actually conquer the modern tech industry, you can't just wander around aimlessly. You really need to level up strategically. And right now, the ultimate skill tree to master is absolutely cloud computing. So in this explainer, we're going to look at the definitive roadmap to take you from a complete beginner all the way to a cloud computing pro. We'll map out exactly what you need to learn, why you need to learn it, and how to actually prove your skills to the biggest employers in the world.
Okay, let's dive into this. Before we map out our route, we have to ask, why is the cloud so incredibly dominant? Consider that a staggering 80 to 90% of companies rely on it today. I mean, that is a massive majority. To understand why that number is so high, we have to take a step back and look at what the alternative is, and exactly why that old alternative is totally failing modern businesses.
Well, for the longest time, the old way of doing things was entirely on premises. Let's say a company wanted to host a website or build a new mobile app. They had to physically buy the hardware, the servers, the storage drives, all those networking cables, and then they had to set it all up themselves. That is just incredibly cost prohibitive. Realistically, only the top-tier, wealthiest companies can afford to buy, store, and maintain all that physical infrastructure. But the new way, cloud computing, it completely changed the game. It allows businesses of literally any size to easily provision all that highly scalable hardware over the internet. You just rent what you need, exactly when you need it, and you skip all those massive upfront costs.
Now, here's where it gets really interesting, because there is a massive catalyst driving this shift into overdrive today. Even companies that previously just used the cloud for basic web hosting are facing a huge new challenge: artificial intelligence and machine learning. Integrating AI and ML models requires an absolutely immense amount of computational power. We are talking high configuration hardware and ultra-fast, incredibly expensive chips. Suddenly, even fewer businesses can afford to buy this hardware outright. To put that into perspective, maybe just 2 to 5% of the market can afford it. So literally, everyone else is absolutely forced to rely on the cloud just to run their advanced models. So here is our roadmap for this explainer. 1. The cloud boom. 2. Base stats. 3. Choosing your arena. 4. Equipping your tools. And finally, 5. Achieving pro status. Starting us off, Section 1, the cloud boom and the expanding job market.
Because AI has created this unprecedented demand, mastering cloud technology has become the universal key to the modern tech job market. Think about these essential roles. Whether you're aiming to be a cloud architect, designing the systems, a cloud engineer, building them, an administrator, managing them, or if you're working in DevOps, cloud expertise is strictly required. And crucially, if you want to be an AI engineer or an ML engineer, no question, you absolutely need to know the cloud, because that is exactly where your models are going to live and breathe.
Moving right along to Section 2, base stats. Let's look at the exact prerequisites you need before entering the cloud. Just like you wouldn't try to fight the final boss at level 1, there are some foundational prerequisites you've got to have. First and foremost, you need a really solid grasp of basic computer networking. Think about it. When you store data in the cloud, it's traveling across the internet to servers that might literally be on an entirely different continent. Because of that distance, understanding networking protocols, things like OSI, TCP/IP, HTTP, and IP addressing, is totally non-negotiable. Beyond networking, you need a strong familiarity with operating systems to navigate server environments, plus an understanding of foundational programming languages. Languages like Python, Java, and C++ are the essential building blocks you're going to use to script and automate your cloud tasks. So the crucial point is really understanding the absolute backbone of all this, which is virtualization. Virtualization is the core concept that the entire cloud computing industry stands on. Because remember, cloud providers aren't shipping you a physical box. They're allocating virtual resources to you over the internet. Without virtualization, whether we're talking operating system, application, or desktop virtualization, the cloud simply wouldn't exist. Grasping how one single, powerful physical server can be split up into dozens of virtual machines is absolutely essential for your base stats.
All right, Section 3, choosing your arena. Let's explore the major cloud platforms.
And this brilliantly illustrates the landscape you are entering. This is the exact market share breakdown of the biggest arenas in the whole industry. Amazon Web Services, or AWS, is the undisputed heavyweight here, holding roughly 33% of the market. Right behind them is Microsoft Azure with about 21%, and Google Cloud Platform holding around 10%.
That remaining 36% is just split up among a bunch of other smaller providers. But make no mistake, those big three, they dictate the rules of the modern cloud computing game.
Honestly, the best advice here is to not get overwhelmed. A super common mistake beginners make is trying to learn AWS, Azure, and Google Cloud all at the exact same time. Please don't do that. Pick just one major player to start with, maybe AWS, since they have the largest market share. Dive deep into their specific ecosystem, explore all the abundant free tutorials available online, and actually utilize their free trial accounts. You can get an incredible amount of foundational knowledge and real, hands-on experience without spending a single dime. Which brings us to Section 4, equipping your tools, mastering those core cloud services. These are the specific weapons you must master. We'll use AWS as our blueprint here. Let's move to and see how this builds your capability step by step. If you choose AWS, you're going to start by learning EC2, which handles your computation, processing, and hosting. Think of this as the brain of your setup. Step 2 is mastering storage, so you'll learn S3 for your block-level storage and Glacier for that long-term archiving. Step 3 focuses on databases, specifically RDS or relational database services, so your apps can actually manage data effectively. And finally, Step 4 ensures everything is locked down and secure by mastering VPNs, or virtual private networks, to protect your cloud environment. The cool thing is, no matter which cloud you pick, you will need to learn its versions of compute, storage, database, and networking. Finally, Section 5, achieving pro status through hands-on practice and certification. Okay, this is where you transition from theoretical knowledge to true pro-level execution. Real learning doesn't happen just by reading textbooks. It happens when you actually get your hands dirty. So your practical progression timeline should look a bit like this. Phase 1, max out those free trials. In Phase 2, you're actively creating and configuring your own virtual machines. Phase 3 challenges you to securely migrate actual files into your cloud storage. And then Phase 4, the big milestone project, completely hosting a basic functional website on the cloud infrastructure you just built. This hands-on practice is where all those abstract concepts finally click together. But how do you actually prove to recruiters that you can do all this? They aren't just going to take your word for it, right? You might say, hey, I know how to provision a server, but the employer has literally no way of knowing if that's true without putting you through a grueling technical interview. That is exactly why earning a major certification, something like the AWS Certified Solutions Architect Associate, is so absolutely critical. It acts as the ultimate stamp of approval. It tells a hiring manager immediately that your knowledge has been independently verified to a real professional standard. Becoming a highly paid, highly sought-after cloud architect is such an incredibly rewarding journey, but we really have to remember the core philosophy here. As our source material wisely points out, a pro-level player isn't made overnight. No one just wakes up one morning and accidentally passes a massive architecture exam. It takes hard work, and even more importantly, it takes daily consistency. Taking just a little bit of time every single day to interact with these cloud systems, that is the true secret to leveling up. Well, there you have it. We've mapped out the entire journey from absolute beginner to certified pro. We've seen exactly why the industry is so desperate for these skills, what foundational knowledge you need, the core tools you absolutely must master, and how to prove your worth to employers. So the only thing left to ask is this. Your base stats are ready and the arena is wide open. Which cloud are you going to conquer first?